best phones to buy under 20,000 Indian rupees. Our top picks. In an ever-evolving realm of smartphones, finding a great mobile with striking characteristics without breaking the bank would be something that you never dreamt of. But today, your dream seems to come true, as Cat Insider has curated a list of impressive smartphones with a plethora of compelling features under 20,000 Indian rupees. iQOO Z9. iQOO Z9 is a top-notch phone featuring plenty of cutting-edge characteristics with maximum durability and portability. It features a high-quality AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR, offering an enhanced user experience due to MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, providing a massive 5000 mAh battery with 44-volt threshold, ensuring faster charging, and more, available in just 18,500 Indian rupees. Realme Narzo 70 Pro. Realme Narzo 70 Pro is another premium model available in just 17,998 Indian rupees, which truly stands out because of its stellar design and other high-end features, making it a perfect fit for all tech enthusiasts. Moreover, it features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that offers sharp visuals with a 120Hz refresh rate. Additionally, it supports a 67-watt charging threshold, which offers an improved charging capability to the phone, which reaches to approximately 50% in just 19 minutes. Includes a 3.5mm jack with high-res audio for a crisp listening experience, and more. Poco X6. Are you looking for a robust phone supporting advanced features? The Poco X6 is available in 16,500 Indian rupees. It's a great phone which entails a few significant unique features, including a 6.6-inch AMOLED display that supports 120Hz refresh rate Dolby Vision, with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset with planned OS upgrade, pushing the boundaries towards excellence. Its manufacturers have ensured its protection with high-quality Corning Gorilla Glass Victus to keep it safe and secure. Moreover, it's ideal in terms of the camera too. It features a 64MP rear camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens with a 16MP front camera for improved selfies and video call experience.